Salam, this is Shiv and I'm on Huntington Beach. It's a windy, sunny day, but hopefully that's not going to deter us, because today we have got for you an ocean meditation. So this is to bring it down. This is for those of you who think that you can't sit still, for those of you that love the sound of the ocean, and for those of you who just want to take a break from the world. Raise your hand if you want a piece of that pie. All right? So we're going to get into it. We're going to tune in, and we'll have Samaj put 3 minutes on the clock. Sorry, I'm just recorded a 5-minute express, so we'll have 3 minutes on the clock. We're in public, so we've got people shouting, we've got music going on, we've got the ocean. This is the invitation to put our practice into practice. So enjoy it all as if you were here, getting your center on this beach. It's a beautiful day for it, but it's a little windy, so I'm going to wrap up. Okay, are you ready? So we're going to tune in. Ong Namo, Gurudev Namo. I call upon the infinite creative consciousness within. I call upon the infinite creative consciousness without. It links us to the teacher within us, the greatest guide that we have, as well as linking us to the golden chain of teachers that went before us. Think about chanting down the sacred halls of those teachers that have gone before us and practiced this sacred practice for so long. Let us join them. Rub the palms of your hands together. You can be seated on the ground like me, or you can be seated in a chair for this one. However you are comfortable. Keep your back nice and straight. Okay, palms together. Bring the thumbs in at the sternum. Close your eyes. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. Taking a couple of breaths here as you start to bring body and mind into the same time and space. And let's inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Inhale deeply, suspending the breath, relaxing the tongue from the upper palate, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears, keeping the breath suspended. Slowly exhale. Adgare Name, Jugadgare Name, Satgare Name, Sri Gurudev Name. Calling on the wisdom from all directions, including the wisdom within. Shall we? Adgare Name, Jugadgare Name, Satgare Name, Sri Gurudev Name. Adgare Name, Jugadgare Name, Satgare Name, Sri Gurudev Name. Adgare Name, Jugadgare Name, Satgare Name, Sri Gurudev Name. Inhale deeply. Suspending the breath, relaxing the tongue from the upper palate, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Breath is suspended. Slowly exhale. Once again, checking into the totality of being you as you bring body and mind into the same time and space. Perhaps you can hear the ocean crashing, maybe the winds whipping. I have my microphone in the ear that is least windblown, and it is quite windy. Feel that, the elements, right? It's not annoyance, it's the elements speaking to us. Okay, so we're going to bring our hands down into Gyan Mudra. So we're going to touch the thumb with the forefinger. I'm going to extend the other 3 fingers. And then I'm going to put them underneath my wrap because it's a little chilly. But they're on, arms straight, no bend in the elbow. And we're going to sit like that. Okay? So close your eyes. Beautiful. All right, so Maj is going to put 3 minutes on the clock. And we are going to meditate with the ocean and the sounds of the people on the beach. And it's going to be beautiful. So close your eyes. So as you start to get settled, start thinking of the roots. So as you're sitting from your seat bones, making roots all the way down to the center of the earth. This is where you belong. This is where you are growing. Your roots are deep. And then as you come up from your roots through the spine, sitting up nice and tall, crown chakra, like a sunflower, reaching for the sun. As we sit nice and tall, lifting up the chest and bringing the chin in just ever so slightly, tilting it towards the neck, Jalahandra Bandh, neck lock. This is not a lock, this is actually allowing the neck to be straight. Imagine you have a hose pipe going up your spine, through the chakras. This hose pipe wants to be nice and straight, so the energy that you generate can flow in and up without getting stuck. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. Eyes focused at the third eye, just between the eyebrows and slightly up. So bring your eyes as if you're looking in at your nose and then look up. There's your focus point. Your eyes are going to wander from there. This is where you bring them home. Just like the mantra, Sat Nam. Inhale Sat, exhale Nam. Mind will wander. Bring it back to Sat Nam. Sat Nam. No judgments here, no beating yourself up. Mind will wander. Your job is to bring it home. Sat Nam. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Feeling the rise and fall of the belly as the breath, the life force, the prana comes in. New life force, new breath, new prana coming in, feeding the cells. Exhaling, letting go. Thank you. You no longer serve me. Thank you. You thought you couldn't do 3 minutes. And there you have it. You did it. So now I'd like you to just keep your eyes closed and bring your palms, right palm in left for men, left in right for women, and just place them in the middle. I'm resting mine on my feet. Keep your eyes closed. And we're just going to do a little savasana sitting up here. Allowing that meditation, that 3 minutes. This is how simple meditation can be. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be thoughtless. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just sit down, close your eyes, connect with your breath. You stray, you come back, you stray again, you come back again. We don't have to worry about straying. We just have to keep coming back. That's our job, to just keep coming back. Let's take in a little moment here of total silence. We're going to stay seated. We're going to stay with our eyes closed. We're going to stay with our focus within to tune out with long time sun. So make the practice special. Don't open your eyes. Keep it pure. Bend the thumbs. Bring them in at the sternum. Let's inhale for long time sun. May the long time sun shine upon you. Oh, love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on, guide your way on, guide your way on. One long sat, one little nam. Sat Nam. Inhale deeply, suspending the breath, again taking in all the ambient sounds that you can hear. I can hear a lot, maybe you can hear it too. It's all part of life. Our practice is our personal endeavor. As you exhale, it doesn't matter what's going on around us. All that matters is that we sit down and do our part. We give gratitude and blessings to be able to practice these teachings across oceans and continents, and sometimes just down the road. May the benefit of these blessings be dedicated to all sentient beings, and may we all know peace, love, and happiness. May we always remember to be kind to ourselves as well as others along the way. Sat Nam. You made it. That's awesome. Congratulations. That was a 3-minute meditation. If you'd like longer meditations with more yoga, less chat, like this, but 11 minutes along with a full class and a 5-minute express, 3 new videos a month, plus a live class with me. Come and check it out at patreon.com/holla, HOLLA. I think we've got some people in the background waving to you. That's pretty awesome. A couple of years ago, I would have been pissed off. Today, I'm like, this is life happening around us. If you and I can sit here with all this going on and we can get our meditation on, then we stand a lot better chance of dealing with what life throws at us, because we cannot control what life throws at us, but we can learn to better control how we react to it. If you want more next level Kundalini classes, come over to patreon.com/holla and check out the Angels Reward tier and become an angel today. I'm very happy that you joined me. Congratulations. I will see you on the other side. Sat Nam.